Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about the multiplication of algebraic expressions, monomial by monomial and monomial by binomial. First, I am going to explain about one word problem example. Previous video I explained about how an expression converted into sentences and how the sentence converted into an expression. According to that condition, I given this problem. Once look at the problem. The product of two numbers is 24. If one number is 8, then find the another number. The product of two numbers is 24. Product is nothing but multiplication. How many numbers are there? Two numbers. If you multiply two numbers, the product is 24. This is one step. Among those two numbers, one number has given. One number is given, that is 8. Then find another number. We need to find out the another number. Coming to the solution. Given that one number is 8. One number is 8. We don't know another number. We need to find out that number. Let that another number be y. Given that product of two numbers is 24. 24 has given. If you multiply these two numbers, the resultant is 24. The statement has given. That is the product of two numbers. 8 into y, 8y. 8 into y is 8y. That equal to what? 24. This is the given step. If you transpose 8 to that side, these two are under the multiplication. If you transfer 8 to RHS, it converted into division. Multiplication converted into division. In the case of division converted into multiplication. In the case of addition converted into subtraction and subtraction converted into addition. Here it is the multiplication. So 8 converted into division. That is why y equal to 24 by 8. Multiplication converted into division here. 24 by 8. 8 ones, 8 threes, then y equal to 3. This is another number. What is the first given number? 8. After simplification, what is the another number? 3. If you multiply these two, 8 into 3, 8 3s 24. This is the process to do the word problems. Next one is multiplication. First, we need to know the conditions of multiplication. In the addition and subtraction, already we learned some conditions. These conditions are entirely different. First one, convert given expression into monomial by monomial. You need to convert the first expression into monomial by monomial. First one. Step 2, multiply the signs. Already you know how to multiply the signs, and when minus multiplied by minus, resultant is placed. These signs table I given in the previous videos. Next one, multiply the constant and or coefficients. After multiply the signs, then you should multiply the constants or coefficients. Step 4. In the addition and subtraction, we are having to observe the like terms. Under the multiplication, no need to observe the like terms. If unlike terms are there, in case A and B, if you want to multiply A and B, the resultant is AB. X into Y, two unlike terms. If you want to multiply x into y is xy. Like that, Write different variables under multiplication first. Next, count the same variables. In that expression, if same variables are there, count it. Mention that count number on the superscript of the variable, that is at the power place. Example, in the multiplication 2x are there, x into x. How many x are here? 2. Then you should mention that number 2 at the power place, that is a superscript place, that is x into x equal to x square. This place is nothing but a superscript place, that is a power or exponent or index. These are the rules applied to do the multiplication. Coming to the first model, monomial by monomial. Multiply 6ab and minus 10b. Once observe the variable here, constant 6a and b variables, and minus 10 constant, minus 10 coefficient, b is a variable. Here two variables and here only one variable. Coming to the, already itself it is a monomial by monomial. First step is convert into the monomial by monomial. So already in the problem itself is a monomial by monomial. Next, so whatever it is, on the process of addition of what you done, first you need to write down the given terms in the brackets. Same process, same step we done here. Plus 6ab, there is no sign in the sense, there is a plus sign. Itself is a plus sign, into minus 10b. I kept brackets here. Next one, multiply the signs. First multiply the signs. Here, what is the sign? Plus. Here, what is the sign? Minus. Plus into minus, minus. Resultant is minus sign. 6ab into 10b. After multiplying the signs, we need to multiply the coefficients next step. Multiply the constants or coefficients. 6 is a coefficient here and here is 10 coefficient. 6 into 10, 60. That is minus 60. Remaining ab into b. Among these, same variables, b into b, same variable, and a you need to write it separately. That is, multiply the same variables first. So b and b, how many b's are there here? 2. So that is why the 2 number written at the superscript place, that is minus 60 into a into b square. If you write combinedly, the resultant is minus 60 ab square. This is the process to do the monomial by monomial multiplication. Next one, multiplication of monomial by binomial. Monomial by binomial. Multiply 5p and 4p minus 10 cube. Here 5p. This is one expression. Another expression is 4p minus 10 cube. It is monomial and it is binomial. Two terms are there. First, solution. First, you should mention the terms in the brackets. You must mention, write down this step. Plus 5p. There is no signs in the sense. Plus 5p. Next, multiply the signs and convert monomial by monomial. First you need to convert the monomial by monomial. After multiplying the monomial, you should multiply the signs. Now I converted this one in the monomial by monomial. Let us check how I multiplied 5p into 4p. This monomial multiply by binomial first term. Monomial first term of the binomial, 5p into 4p, this term. Next one, 5p, same monomial multiplied by the second term. This is plus into minus. Here you need to multiply the sign. Here plus is there for 5p, plus into minus is minus. 5p into 10q, directly written here this step. Next one. Next, multiply the coefficients. What is the coefficient here? 5. Here coefficient is 4. 5 into 4, 20. P into P. How many P's are here? 2. I written here. Next, minus 5 into 10, 50. What are variables? P into Q, PQ. Coming to the next step, 20. 2 p's are here, that is why I written in the superscript place, that is 20 p square minus 50 pq. This is answer. Once go to the step, convert the given expression into monomial by monomial with multiplying the signs. Next, multiply the constants or coefficients and multiply the same variables, and the resultant should mention in the superscript place. This is the process to do the multiplication of monomial by binomial. After listening to that video, you must do the problem as homework. Multiply minus 3ab and minus 7ab. Multiply minus 36b and minus 2a plus 3b. Multiply minus x minus y. Multiply minus y and minus y. Multiply p and minus p minus q. This is monomial by monomial. This is monomial by binomial, monomial by binomial, monomial by monomial, and monomial by binomial. Do these problems as homework. Okay students, listen to that video and do the homework. If you are having any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you students.